Jai Ho. I request Mrs. Jyoti Bhalla and Mrs. Patnaik to kindly escort Mrs. Kanta Sharma, Mrs. Santosh Sharma and Mrs. Anita Bhalla to please come on the stage and light the lamp.
This lighting of lamp is symbolic of invoking God's blessing. I, on behalf of the Indian family, pray to God to bestow His blessings on all of us and enlighten our lives with knowledge and wisdom.
In a mother's heart, there lies a deep treasure, the treasure of love given to us by her. She guides us in everything. She teaches us right and wrong. The words of encouragement given by her come from the heart. She is the undisputed queen of the world of love and care. There is no friend like one's mother from cradle to grave. A very good evening, dear parents. On behalf of the management, staff and students of Indian Aravali Hills, I welcome you all to witness a spectacular show staged by the students of grade 3. This program, Jai Ho to Motherhood, is a tribute to our great mothers. Mothers who have inspired and will continue to inspire all of us for years to come. The mission of Indian is to facilitate the students to develop the ability to collect, assimilate, analyze, and react to vast quantities of information. The total thrust here at Indian is towards pursuit of excellence. Here at Indian, we give them a platform to exhibit their innate abilities and talents by motivating them to participate in a plethora of activities within and outside the school. We look forward to your kind support and encouragement to our dear students. Today, I am sure each one of these performances will move and shake you emotionally. So I really request you to applaud our students open-heartedly. Thank you and have a bright day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am. Women's role in India has been changing and women are now emerging from the past tradition into a new era of freedom and rights. Women used to play a marginal and peripheral role in the overall national context despite constituting almost half of the population with a critical role in production and social process. But the process of modernization has changed the structure of society and the E components, education, employment, earning has empowered women's status. Now, in almost all sectors, women are present performing all kinds of jobs. Women have reached the heights of technological and scientific innovations, as evident their presence in Nobel Prize winning teams. The contribution of women can be traced from Lakshmi Bai and Durgabai Deshmukh to Kiran Bedi and P.T. Usha.
The journey of women from kitchen to cosmos has indeed been remarkable. Behind every great man, as they say, there is always a woman. I would say behind every good, content, happy and successful family also there is a woman, that is the mother. Mother's role as a role model and a guardian
is indisputable. Nurturing of mother forms an unparalleled and a vital part of a child's care. A mother's involvement with her children is unique and different because there is a strong emotional and social bonding occurring in between. Mothers are known to give unconditional love and care. A mother instills the confidence and security in a child. Mothers are the banks of the whole family. We can dump all our hurts and worries in her. Mothers have been the glue that holds a family together with care and support. A big part of education is mother who teaches the basics of life to each child. Even God knew that. Haven't we all heard this famous saying that God couldn't be everywhere, so He created mothers?
As we have seen, women as mother have impacted, influenced and changed a common human being to a great warrior, a great leader and above all a great human being. You must have heard and read hordes of stories, but on recalling those moments, a warm and cuddly figure also appears in our mind. That is our Dadima, isn't it? And what better way to recall and relive those glorious tales of mothers through a Dadima only. So let me not keep you waiting. Here comes Dadima with her grandson. Now let's find out and discover what they are up to. So here is a beautiful presentation of stories of great mothers depicted through songs and dances.
माँ तुम्हारी भलाई के लिए ही डांटती है। माँ तुम्हें अच्छा व्यक्ति बनाने के लिए ही डांटती है, क्योंकि माँ हमारी जननी और सबसे बड़ी गुरु है। माँ एक कुम्हार की तरह है।
दादी माँ, कुम्हार क्या होता है?
कुम्हार जो मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाता है, जिस तरह बर्तन को आकार देने के लिए वह बाहर से चोट और अंदर से प्यार से सहारा देता है, उसी तरह एक अच्छा बच्चा बनाने के लिए माँ तुम्हें भी तुम्हारी गलती पर डांटती है और अंदर से तुम्हें बहुत प्यार करती है।
दादी माँ, जननी का क्या मतलब है?
जननी जन्म देने वाली।
तो क्या हमें ईश्वर ने पैदा नहीं किया?
बेटा, ईश्वर ने माँ के माध्यम से ही तुम्हें अच्छे काम करने के लिए धरती पर भेजा है और ईश्वर भी माँ के माध्यम से ही इस धरती पर अच्छे काम करने के लिए आते हैं। माँ की शक्ति का दूसरा रूप, माँ के इस शक्ति रूप की ही पूजा हम करते हैं।
माँ के इस शक्ति रूप की पूजा हम कैसे करते हैं?
आओ बेटा,
होके नीचे होके।
दादी माँ, मुझे समझ में आ गया है कि माँ ही सबसे बड़ी शक्ति है।
हाँ बेटा, हमें दुर्गा माँ के साथ साथ इस धरती माँ की भी पूजा करनी चाहिए, जो हमें सब कुछ देती है।
हाँ दादी माँ, ये मैंने अपनी साइंस में पढ़ा है और माँ ने भी मुझे ये बताया है कि धरती, आकाश, जल, वायु और आग, इन 5 चीजों के होने से ही हम जी सकते हैं।
हाँ बेटा, धरती जिसने हम सबका इतना भार उठाया हुआ, आकाश जिसकी कोई सीमा नहीं, जल जो हर रंग में मिलकर उस जैसा हो जाता है, हवा जिसे कोई देख